Bitcoin and Ethereum are continuing to move here into higher levels. So, and the question is, how high can we actually go before we see here a severe correction? And I also want to go into Solana. Hi guys, and welcome back. My name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here directly into the charts. So here I'm on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. So what we have seen here in the last 24 hours is that we actually broke out here out of this downwards or descending broadening wedge that we had formed here and bounced between support and resistance here up and down. And then, yeah, obviously we had here then this breakout to the upside. So one major key level that we have flipped here to support was the 0.618 and the 0.65, the golden ratio at $48,250 in that kind of range. So, and I had always said to you guys, it's really, really important in terms to get here into higher levels and also reclaim $50,000, that we also have to get above the 0.786, $49,150 approximately, and stay above there. Because when we look here and draw a line like this, that was the level that was holding us down to reach actually 50,000 and to stay above it. And now we see something really beautiful unfolding in the chart, and that is after getting here close to the one level, to 50,566, where we got rejected, that now the 0.786 on the Fibonacci extensions is actually supporting us. So we are seeing here now twice already a bounce of that level. So, and that is something really, really beautiful, and something that I keep watching. And I just see something else here. If I zoom in a little bit, you see a little bit better. Look here. This low is lower than the low that we have right now. So we have already a higher low within that range. And that is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. So it could not be more beautiful if this candle that we have right now continues to go here to the upside, and we actually can confirm that this low here will be higher than the previous one here. So, but where will we head next? So if you remember, guys, I had mentioned in the other videos before that if we break here into this void between this green box, which is now obviously support and confirmed support, the next level would be here again, this red zone. And in between here, this zone here is a void where Bitcoin can just do this and just move brutally to the upside, and yeah, all the way up to $51,066. And more or less, I can imagine that we see here a dip into this red zone and then actually come back down here. So now the optimal scenario would be, when this is happening, that we only come back to the one on the Fibonacci extensions, to the $50,566 price for Bitcoin here. And then after this bounce, start to go sideways and break again in that red zone, and then actually breaking through. And then the next level for me to watch would be the next golden ratio at the 1.618, 1.65, between $54,665 and $54,877. So I don't see here right now any severe correction coming for Bitcoin. In the worst case, we're testing again the $49,000 levels, but yeah, also that we go here close to that zone here looks right now a little bit unlikely. It looks more like that we continue to move here to the upside, reclaim 50,000 because we are slightly under it. And when we reclaim it, that we actually stay above this. Also, let's have a look here with the EMA ribbon. Yeah, here you can see we also are again above the EMA ribbon. But remember, guys, I say this every time when this is happening, we will come down to the EMA ribbon every time when it flips to a new trend and twists here again. We always come back to test the ribbon, get a bounce, and continue to move to the upside. So there will be a retest of the ribbon at some point. Let's hope that the ribbon can unfold until we are here in the $49,000 area for with the EMA ribbon, and then get this retest. So, and that could actually coincide with the rejection out of that red zone here. So we could get into the red zone, then see the test of the ribbon, and then actually break through that zone. That is, yeah, something, that is an idea that I would like to entertain here for the moment. So, but then I also want to show you why we actually broke up. So when we go here into the daily chart, so look at this, guys. We are forming here a W pattern. So now, when we are looking where the target is for it, look here, it is above that red zone. And we tested already here, yeah, a nice amount of it. So there you see, if this W pattern here is playing out, then we should here definitely get into much higher levels and actually also break here our red resistance zone. So now let's get here into Solana, because I know a lot of you actually are curious about Solana, and then I will get into Ethereum. So here in Solana, we see Solana is here massively continuing to push to the upside here. And here also something really beautiful, and I cannot make this up, guys, but it seems to be the 0.786 level on the Fibonacci extensions is the new hotspot for all coins to continue to rally to the upside. So we see this in Ethereum, we see it in Bitcoin, we see it now in Solana. So, and you can also see how beautifully we came here to the one level up. And I believe when we get here again to the one level, that we actually settle on it and then move in direction of $200 for Solana. So because here the 0.618 was also acting as support here. Once we broke above it, then we got a red candle testing it as support, and then we got another leg to the upside. And the same happened with the 0.786. We got here this huge move to the one, then a rejection, then a retest, and then now another move to the upside. So I see here also substantial more upside for Solana. $150 will be no problem at all for Solana to get above. And then we will move actually here to the 1.618 in my opinion. That will be the next logical target for Solana. I also want to break it down to the 4-hourly to see what we are seeing there. And that looks like that we might see here right now a bull pennant playing out. So that would line up with what I just said. Yeah, there you go, guys. Look here. We have here a bull pennant. There you go. Bull pennant, $160 approximately. And we are breaking out right now. So if this breakout gets confirmed, if we close this 4-hourly candle above it and continue to push higher, you know where the next target is, guys. And if you want to take advantage of my trade codes here that I either send on Twitter or mention here on my channel, then don't forget, you can always go to the pinned comment below and also still join my Bybit team to win together $7.5 million. Here is also the link in the pinned comment below. So, and you can also get a $3,650 deposit bonus in total with the voucher code here in my pinned comment below. And also on Phemex right now, you can get a $2,000 deposit bonus also only with my link, guys. So if you're an experienced leverage trader or a trader in general, there you can go and use my links, my affiliation links, to get some nice bonuses and then only trade with the bonuses that you have received that would give you a free trade. So then let's get here also into Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, we can also see here that we got here a massive push to the upside. Let me switch that to the daily chart so then you see it a little bit better. And look here, that was something that I was also expecting normally for Bitcoin, that we get a daily candle going all the way up, ripping through everything in the void, directly into the red zone. And now we see here the rejection in Ethereum. And Ethereum is actually holding really, really, really nice here. Its level close to that resistance zone. So, and what I believe is going to happen, that we could see here potentially tomorrow the next push into that box, and eventually even a breakthrough it. So if we would come down here, we would get heavily rejected. Then we come back here to that green box, most likely based on the daily, which would be also absolutely fine after such a jump in price. And then we see here another attempt to break through that zone. Let's have a quick look here on the 4-hourly chart, which level we should watch here, because there was also a resistance that I had seen that Ethereum broke through. No, sorry, it was actually not Ethereum. I saw it on another coin. So, but also here, we see a potentially now a bull flag forming, or a pennant. And here again, if this breaks out, it's above that red zone, and that brings Ethereum to $4,146 approximately. So there's another trade that you can take. Wow, there's so many trades right now that you can take, and that I also definitely will take. This Ethereum trade I will take myself because I missed it yesterday, the whole run, because I was busy. So when we see here the breakout at, let's say, $3,820 approximately, and we keep pushing higher, that will be the level where I will enter a trade. And then I ride it up to a technical target all the way up here to $4,146. Yeah, guys, then let's have a quick look at my own trades. So here on Phemex, my Cardano trade is almost 100% on profit, $4,000 almost. And my Bitcoin trade is 1.26 Bitcoin, almost $63,000 in profit, 70%, 71%. So yeah, they're doing really, really well, and yeah, going to the moon here. And yeah, you can, like I said, use my links in the pinned comment below, either from Phemex or also here from Bybit. Both platforms are amazing. If you enjoyed this content, guys, then please subscribe to the channel and hit notification, and make sure that you click notification all, so that you really get in real time notified when I make a new video or actually do a live stream. So yeah, and obviously that helps also with the YouTube algorithm. Please smash up the likes, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you know it, guys, I will see you tomorrow again.